We're going to run the descriptive statistics on the file sat.xlsx. It is a file of SAT scores and other educational data from the 50 states plus the District of Columbia for 1988. To run the statistics, the descriptive statistics on the SAT, we're going to use the Data tab, selecting Data Analysis, and from there picking the option Descriptive Statistics and saying OK. Notice that it needs to have the input data or the input range identified, so we'll do that by scrolling to the bottom and selecting everything up including the label, and I will tell it that the label is in the first row. We'll have it output the results to a new sheet, select Summary Statistics, and it's finished. I'll change the view to make it a little easier to see. And so we see that there are several measures that are part of what we call the central tendency. That is, values that gather around a central point. In this case, the mean, which is the average, is 948.9, and the median is the middle value, and that's found by rank ordering all of the 51 values and then selecting the middle one, and also the mode, which is the most frequently occurring value, in this case 986. Then we have some measures that relate to the variability of the data. We have the standard deviation, which is a measure of the average difference between each individual data point and the mean. If we square the standard deviation, we get the sample variance, and if we take the largest value minus the smallest value, we obtain the range. Notice that it counts the number of data values being analyzed. There are two measures related to the shape of the distribution. Kurtosis has to do with the peakedness of it, and skewness, whether or not the distribution is symmetric or not.